Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. Today we are going to cook fish for lunch this is.
But before that, we want to catch the fish here. So let's follow us.
Hi guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Anis. Today, my friend Hilda and I want to make a video, and the video that we make is tutorial video how to cook special golden fish. When we capture the fish, Hilda falls in many times. It's because the pond is so slippery, but she is striving a day to catch the fish. But Hilda, you must be careful.
Well, this is the fish that we have been captured. It's a big size with golden color, but it's so difficult to capture this fish because the pond is so slippery. But we successful and never given up, so we did it. Okay, we want to bring this fish to kitchen. Come on, follow us.
أياما جاءنا حق النذير مخيفا مسلما سبل الرشاد أياما جاءنا حق النذير مخيفا مسلما سبل الرشاد
I'm sorry because it is rainy. So I use my phone to record my voice. For cook this fish, we need seasoning, salt, flavor, onion, turmeric, garlic, ginger, sugar, chili, twisted castor bean, lemongrass, coriander, candle nut, pepper, and last, bay leaf.
Blending the seasonings except lemongrass and bay leaf. Let's begin to cook the special golden fish. First, try the salt seasoning. Cook lemongrass, also bay leaf. Don't forget the pepper. the water. Add flavor and sugar. Mix well. Then put the beef, and stir slowly. Cook the beef for 20 minutes. Pour the cooked fish together with the soup into the bowl. Finally, special golden fish is ready to be served.
I have been together with my friends in PPTK Nasayul. We will eat together. But before we eating, let's pray together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. That's all from us. I'm sorry and thank you.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.